Most of us confuse psychological thrillers with psycho, horror, or slasher movies. Whereas psychological thriller is a term for movies which gets entangled in your emotions and feelings, which gives you a different perspective regarding almost everything that's related to the subject of the film. However, movies like Silence of the Lambs, Primal Fear garnered much attention to the genre. It's the recent flicks like Get Out and Us is what gets us all talking about it. So after much tedious research and effort, here is AMRC's top 10 psychological thrillers. Before we proceed with the list, this was originally a top 20 list and then we had narrowed it down to top 10. So every movie in this list won't waste your time if you place your bets on them. Even the ones in honorable mention is a must watch. So don't skip the video and watch the entire list. Number 10. Mulholland Drive. Mulholland Drive is a 2001 surreal neo-noir mystery thriller written and directed by David Lynch. Even after almost 2 decades, nobody seems to understand the actual plot of Mulholland Drive. One theory states that the first half of the movie is a dream of a failed starlet idealizing herself as a talented female with a beautiful young woman who loves her. Then during the second half, she wakes up and is forced with the reality she is a failed actress who has been dumped by her lover and is working as a waitress in despair. Even though you won't understand the movie completely during the first watch, or even after multiple watchings, Mulholland Drive is a great movie which offers a good sense of satisfaction to the psychological thriller movie lovers. Number 9. Shutter Island. What less can we expect when a legendary actors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Ben Kingsley team up with an iconic director like Martin Scorsese, who only delivers masterpieces through each of his works. This movie focuses on Teddy and Chuck, played by Leonardo DiCaprio and Mark Ruffalo, 2 US Marshals who go on a ferry boat to Shutter Island, where the hospital for criminally insane is located, to investigate the case of a missing patient. However, the story takes a lot of twists and turns before it reaches to the ultimate mayhem that the lead character is himself a patient in the hospital for 2 years for murdering his wife after she murders their 3 children. Shutter Island is a continuous string of complicated twists and turns that will keep the audiences engaged throughout. Number 8. The Sixth Sense, 1999 American supernatural psychological thriller, written and directed by M. Night Shyamalan. The film is about the story of a boy who is able to see and talk to dead people, and how a child psychologist tries to help him. Night Shyamalan is known for his twisted and unpredictable endings of his movies. Well, if you haven't watched The Sixth Sense yet, let me not spoil it for you. Watch it not just for the psychological thrilling experience, but also for its unpredictable twisted ending. Unbreakable is also a movie worth checking out from the same actor-director duo. Number 7. The Prestige. Who else other than the great acclaimed director Christopher Nolan can bring Batman and Wolverine together for a movie? However, The Prestige isn't about a superhero plot. The story revolves around Robert and Alfred, who work as shills for a magician, under the mentorship of John Cutter. During a water tank trick, Angier's wife Julia fails to escape and drowns. Angier, devastated by his wife's death, accuses Borden of using a riskier knot, causing a death. Turmoil further leads to 2 becoming bitter enemies. Borden develops a trick called as Transported Man, in which he appears to travel instantly between 2 wardrobes on opposite ends of the stage. Angier tries to mimic the trick, which leads him to the scientist Nikola Tesla, and the rest of the story is unpredictable, and if you haven't seen it yet, The Prestige is a must watch. Number 6. Taxi Driver. Taxi Driver is a 1976 American neo-noir psychological thriller directed by, again, Martin Scorsese. Come on guys, it's a top 10 list and this legend already has 2 of them. Taxi Driver is about a lonely, depressed, 26-year-old, honorably discharged US Marine and a Vietnam War veteran living in isolation in New York City, played by Robert De Niro, who takes up job as a night shift taxi driver to cope up with his chronic insomnia. Travis is disgusted by the sleaze, dysfunction and prostitution that he witnesses throughout the city, and what happens when he decides to take things on his own hands, and its counter-reaction forms the plot. Watch Taxi Driver for its impeccable performance by Robert De Niro and phenomenal direction standards set by Martin Scorsese. Number 5. Fight Club. Fight Club is a movie starring Brad Pitt and Edward Norton, directed by David Fincher. It's a story about an automobile recall specialist, played by Edward Norton, who is unfulfilled by his job and his possessions, comes in contact with a soap salesman, Tyler, on a flight from home from a business trip, and how it changes his life forever. The story also gives an interesting perspective on the subject of disassociated personalities in the same body. The movie sheds light on the psychological effect the society is inflicting on people and to what extent they stress their brains looking for a solution and eventually fall victim for it. Number 4. The Platform. Okay guys, most of you are wondering that you had never heard about this movie at all. The story is about characters in a vertical self-management center, a tower-styled facility where food is delivered via a platform that travels from the top, stopping for a fixed period of time on each floor. Those on the lower levels can eat only what those above leave them, and the cell is heated or cooled to a fatal temperature if the food is hoarded. People are randomly reassigned to a new level every month. The story focuses on Gorong and Trimagashi, who are stationed on the same level on Gorong's first month, and few other characters on different levels, and they struggle to survive and redemption from the pit or the vertical self-management system. This movie is my personal favorite, but I am not being biased to place it at number 4. This movie truly deserves its place. The Platform is a must-watch Spanish psychological thriller available in Netflix. I request you guys to watch it as it's my personal favorite and I feel it didn't receive the appreciation and acclamation it truly deserved. Please do watch it. Number 3. Memento. Memento is another movie in the list directed by acclaimed director Christopher Nolan. Memento is a masterpiece on various levels, be it screenplay, writing, or the acting performances. The story is about a man who, as a result of an injury, has developed a short-term memory loss, which lasts approximately for every 15 minutes. The lead character, despite being suffering from these serious conditions, is on a quest to find the people who had attacked him and killed his wife in the past, using an intricate system of Polaroid photographs and tattoos to track information that he cannot remember. The story revolves around the intricate details of the lead character's past, present, what is real and what's not, and most importantly, how the lead character is manipulated by people around him to suit their advantages. Memento is a well-acclaimed movie worth spending your time for. It's one of the earliest and finest works of Christopher Nolan, which has inspired a lot of movies in the future with a similar concept. Before we get into the top 2 picks of the list, I would like to reiterate that I had mentioned this list was originally a top 20 psychological thrillers of all time, but after tedious research, we had arrived at the list of top 10. Here are our honorable mentions: Stanford Prison Experiment, Insomnia, and Gerald's Game. We also do have a bonus other language movie suggestion: Sleep Tight. Sleep Tight is a must-watch Spanish psychological thriller. Number 2. Seven. Seven is the 1995 psychological crime thriller film directed by David Fincher, starring Brad Pitt, Morgan Freeman, and Kevin Spacey in the lead roles. The film tells the story of David Mills, a detective who partners with William Somerset, who is about to retire, to track down a serial killer who uses the 7 deadly sins as a motive in his murders: gluttony, greed, sloth, lust, pride, envy, and wrath. Climax of the movie has an interesting plot twist, explaining to what extent the antagonist of the movie will proceed to fulfill his plan. Watch it for the spine-chilling performance by Kevin Spacey as the antagonist John Doe, and for David Fincher's spectacular direction. And here we are guys. Number 1. Joker. Guys, I am not doing this because I am a DC fan. I feel the 2019 Joker, beautifully portrayed by Joaquin Phoenix, is one of the finest performances in the recent decades. The reason why Joker tops the list is because of its psychological value, the ability to connect with the audiences on a personal level and not just as another supervillain. The story revolves around Arthur Fleck, a failed stand-up comedian who descends into insanity and inspires a violent, countercultural revolution against the wealthy in the decaying Gotham City. The story focuses on how constant isolation and neglection of importance to mental health to a common man sends him towards the road of insanity and vengeance. And this movie has a very shocking and unimaginable plot twist in the entire superhero universe, which ultimately leads to the question whether Joker and Batman could be brothers. Is Joker, Arthur, an illegitimate son of Thomas Wayne? or is it just an interpretation in author's mind? I will leave it for you guys to decide, and that's it for the list. Please don't miss any of these movies, even the ones in the honorable mentions, as they are all great. Please don't forget to watch my personal favorite, The Platform. I owe it to give a special mention. And also watch out for the Top 10 Psychological Thrillers Part 2, which will be uploaded shortly. We have another set of great movies in that list. And finally, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AMRC so we can continue to bring quality content to you. See you guys in the next video.